Looking for a reliable XLR cable that delivers professional sound without draining your wallet? The Hosa HXX-010 is a 10-foot REAN XLR3F to XLR3M cable designed to connect your audio gear with precision and clarity. Whether you're performing live or recording in the studio, this cable ensures a clean, balanced signal every time you plug in. What sets the Hosa HXX-010 apart is its thoughtful construction. It features silver-plated REAN connectors that maximize signal transfer while cutting down interference. That means your audio stays crisp and clear, free from the unwanted noise that can ruin a live performance or recording session. Inside, you'll find 24 Aruban fluorines oxygen-free copper conductors. This isn't just technical jargon, it's key to preserving the integrity of your sound. The OFC wires minimize signal loss, keeping every vocal nuance and instrument detail intact, whether on stage or in the studio. The cable also includes a 90% OFC spiral shield that blocks electromagnetic interference. This shield boosts your signal-to-noise ratio, reducing hum, buzz, and static that often sneak into setups crowded with electronic gear. That's essential when you need your sound to stay pure under any conditions. At 10 feet long, the Hosa HXX-010 offers just the right amount of length, giving you the freedom to move without excess bulk or tangles. Plus, its REAN XLR connectors fit all standard professional audio equipment, making it a versatile addition to any setup. After years as a musician, I've tested countless cables, and what I appreciate about this one is how it balances quality and price. You don't have to spend a fortune to get a cable that performs consistently and sounds great. Many audio pros agree, Hosa cables are known for durability and reliability on the road and in the studio. Switching to the Hosa HXX-010 means gaining peace of mind. You can focus on your performance instead of worrying about flaky connections or signal dropouts. It's a practical, no-nonsense cable that delivers solid results night after night. If you want a dependable XLR cable without overspending, this is worth a look. With silver-plated connectors, oxygen-free copper conductors, and a robust shield, the Hosa HXX-010 offers better sound quality and longer life in an affordable package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup without the hassle of expensive gear. Don't settle for subpar cables that compromise your sound. The Hosa HXX-010 keeps your audio signal strong and clear, exactly how you want it every time you plug in. If you're shopping for a professional-grade cable that respects your budget and your sound, this one should be on your radar.